Good morning, you guys. So I'm probably going to fix up my hair, but this is the fit to go get a tattoo. Reason why I'm wearing this in the winter is because I'm getting my tattoo right below this line, so you would see it in like tops like these, or like if I wore a bathing suit. It is cold though, so I'm probably not gonna wear this until I actually get there. So I'm gonna put on my little star sweatshirt to put over this so then I stay warm. Welcome to my little video diary for today. So I'm gonna just take you through my day. My mom rarely ever puts the heater on, so knowing that it's on, it has to be cold. So checking the weather, it is 48 degrees right now. That's pretty cold. Definitely want to be warm. Probably gonna be hot anyways when I get my tattoo done, just because I get like the nervous jitters. This will be my third tattoo. I'm gonna also go pick up my friend Macy along the way, but because it's so cold outside, I thought what better than to make some coffee. After I fix up my hair, I'm gonna go downstairs and make myself some Java coffee. If you guys want some of your very own Java coffee, the link will be down in the description box below for you guys to get some for 20% off. Oh my god.
Get 'em. Hey guys. I just got back from a 5-hour drive from Arizona. Woo! We stalked her and we found her.
Yeah.
So, well, no, that's fun. Even though my hair's grease. We got Chipotle. I don't really like Chipotle. But
I love Chipotle.
they were freaking that stuff up.
Don't look at this.
Sam was talking about going to your morning poo, bro. Isn't there?
What? No. Good morning, guys. It is officially Sunday. I am getting ready to leave because I am going to meet up with my friends Ashley and Macy, who you guys saw, and I'm going to church with them, and then we're gonna start heading over to the beach. And then we also want to go and like look at the lights and all that stuff, like, you know, when people set up like the crazy Christmas lights. So we want to go and do that, and that's kind of like what we have planned for today. So we're just gonna kind of see how it goes. But as of right now, I'm heading over to church and you guys are coming with me. We're going to Jersey Mike's. We made it to the beach. Woo! It's actually not that cold, but maybe because we're not at the water quite yet. We finally made it to the beach. We set up, we're on like this little sheet and we're just chillaxing right now, taking photos of the beach right now. So we should do some TikToks.
I agree.
Yeah, let's do it. Follow my TikTok. Yeah. Guys, follow my TikTok, okay? Do it. I know you want to, okay?
Follow mine too.
And mine.
At Macy Wisdom _22.
At Ash. Is mine Ash eats cow?
Is it, or is it Ash Love?
Ash eats cow.
But look how nice it is, guys. It's like a little bit gloomy, but it's like so nice outside. The sand is like kind of like a different color. It's kind of nice, but I feel like I haven't been to the beach in forever, so this is actually really nice.
Sam's over here taking photos. Got that GCU Grand Canyon University merch on. Let me give you a little look. This is what it looks like. So cute. I hope y'all are having the best day. That's all I can think of right now. Ash with the big old yak! Wow! There's Tatum. Whoa. I don't really know how you zoom in on this thing, but hey guys. It's your girl. Look how pretty the sky is. Wowza. It's so beautiful. Okay guys, fast forward. We're trying to find parking to see lights, but it's really pretty. Okay guys, we are starting our walk. It's about hours of complaining.
Because it's 15 minutes. It's actually pretty chilly, so hopefully these lights make up for the cold. So they're supposed to be like super bright, obsessive, like a lot. So hopefully they can make up for it. So we'll see you guys when we get there. All right guys, I'm out of here. Okay. I'm leaving.
And then like a couple other.
Bye Tatum! Wait, coaches for what?
Okay. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm officially heading home, so the day is finally over. So the next video you guys will probably see from me is a pack with me video, so stay tuned for that. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!